How to select 3 lottery winners from a list of names randomly. How to randomly pick more than one thing from a list of things in Python. This is day 10 of documenting my learning. Today, let us learn about the random.sample function, which is the answer for the questions at the start. When this function is given or passed a non-empty sequence like list, tuple, etc. and an integer, which is the number of elements to be randomly selected and returned. It randomly selects that many elements in the passed sequence and returns them as a new sequence. When you want to get greater than one item, it never selects duplicates because when selecting items, it selects without replacement, i.e., in a single run of this function, if an element is once selected, it is not replaced for selection again until that ongoing run of function ends. Let us see the function in code in context of selecting people for the lottery. Let me create a file first. Let us import the random module. Let us have a list of names to select the winners from. Now, let us implement the function selecting 3 random winners. Since the number of winners to be selected randomly is 3, we are passing 3. And since we want to select the names of the winners from the names list, we are passing the names list. Since it returns a sequence of names, we store the result of this function in a variable called winners. Let us write the print statement to print the winners. Let us open our terminal and run this file to print the winners. See, 3 random winners are selected. Let us run it again. Now, let us change the number of names to be selected, i.e. the number of winners to be selected from 3 to 2. Let us run this file again. See, only 2 people are selected, and that too randomly. Let us run this again. This function is a very useful tool in our toolkit. That's it for today, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see the Instagram handle of same name. Thank you for watching, guys. Until tomorrow, bye bye.